what's up, everyone? This is PYT 27. Of Obsidian. Guess the first Contra for 20. This is a special edition release. Obsidian FOTL. Special release. This is the first time you're seeing it. This product's been absolutely loaded. Absolutely loaded. Good luck, people. We're going up to at least number 30. At least. Maybe start a new sheet.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's a copy it somewhere. What's Glory saying? Yeah, Brother Glory, that's fine. It's our mailing address. It's not the office. Yes. It's the ones that came to the office those were wiping out the Sharpie. Yes, that's our mailing address, our P.O. box, so it's fine. Yeah, it's not my house either, yeah. It's fine, Brother Glory. I have a couple redemptions. Lowry, Duncan, Allen, redemption. Peyton Watson for the Nuggets. Campos Magneticos is on the board. Campos gets an RPA. Nice hit, Campos. Willie Green. Neon Parker. No, we don't have Cash App. We have every other. There's BI. Pelicans. They hit like crazy. Nice piece, Counselor. 5 of 16. We take Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, crypto, credit card, debit card, and yeah, there's stuff. DH. Who are you? How do I know you? Do I know you? AJ Griffin for Wendy. Can't see your username. Like the numbers. Robin Lopez, Cavs. That's number to 10. Golfer. Quickly to 30 in our first Contra. Wow, it's Shaden. Shaden for University. We hit one of these earlier. This is the other one. There's one more out there. University. Is he out there? That's a big piece. That's a big piece. Ooh. Ooh. We have Contra of Chet.
Oh my God.
For Austin.
Let's go, Austin.
That's a PC piece for Tyler Austin out of Oklahoma City.
Wow.
This is the stuff. To 75. Eubanks. Just take it all, guys. Take it all. This is the stuff. That's number to 3. Giannis to 99 and Garnett to 16. Guys, that's the halfway point. That's the halfway point. If you're just joining us, this stuff is absolutely insane. Insane stuff. Literally. Magic. Take the next one, Huffy. Jang. To 27 is Liddell. Leave them there. Just leave them. Because then the killer gets hits. Leave them. Then we have Will Barton. That's a superstar. Will Barton to 50. This card's to 5. This card is to 5 for Wendy. Desmond Bain, 4 of 5. Here's a nice exclusive. Cedar, you get Jimmy Buckets. We're on number 28. 28 is next. 7 of 16. Embiid, Rollins, Jalen. Then we have to 27. Nice patch of Mark Williams, RPA. He's been flying out. You like hits, Hornets. Then we have Gary Harris to 99. To 30, it's Garland. And then quickly, the Knicks. Last pack. 2 monster Contra so far. 2 monster, and we have another Contra. Another Contra is coming. Jalen with an eye. To 27 for the Raptors. Harrison T. We moved over and it worked out. Christian Coloco. Nice piece, Harrison T. Then we have Zebo. The Grizzlies. Purple of Ivy Equinox. And then a disaster for this Contra. Dillon Brooks. Dillon Brooks. Recap it. Austin's a hitter. He hits. If you're just joining us, guys, this stuff is beyond insane. Literally, it's like a beyond. Shaden, 3 of 3. And Chet, unbelievable. Chet is 2 of 3. 2 of 3 and 3 of 3. 2 monsters. Beyond monsters.